I can see it over there. I accidentally entered the live feed. I'm just trying to let it calm down, because that would have frightened the living daylights out of it. So I'm letting it realise, or think for a second. Very skinny. Come on. Go in there, it's safe. Stop worrying about my boot and get in the bag, mate. You're a goose.